Here's how to close your Amazon account. This will close your account for many different services. So as you go through this process, it'll warn you about all those. Now, at the bottom of your account settings, you should find a link that says close account. If you can't find this, I left a shortcut link down below that takes you straight to this page. Now it says, please read carefully. Basically, everything relating to your Amazon account, whether it's Amazon, Amazon Business, Amazon Prime, even things like Whole Foods or Prime Video, Audible, all these things that Amazon owns will be deleted. You won't have access to those things that utilize your Amazon account, as well as your devices that you've logged in with or signed in with. And it's a permanent action, it says. So you'll want to make sure that you really want to close or cancel your account. You don't have to choose a reason, that's optional, but you do have to click yes, I want to permanently close my account, delete my data, and then click this button right here to close your account. That's how you can close your account on Amazon.